All right, hey, we're super excited. We're coming to you with a great idea, something fun we're gonna roll out. It's very exciting. Woo, woo.
Please don't do that.
Tell them about it, Luke.
I don't want to tell them anything about that dance move you just did. Don't want to talk about it. But we are super excited to announce the Lynn's, could be semi-annual, could do it again,
Right.
but the cake decorating contest. Super excited. This is not a bake-off, so you do not have to bring us a cake, but we want to see your amazing cake decorating skills. So you can enter this contest to win your own $50 Lynn's gift card. There are 2 grand prizes, so there'll be 2 different winners. There's an owner's winner, where me, Tom, and Ma, we're gonna pick a winner, and then there's gonna be fan favorite voting. That's gonna take place on Facebook and Instagram.
Right. Yep. And what is the theme?
The theme is summer theme.
Yes.
So we're keeping it broad. Whatever your favorite summer activity is: pool party, camping, swimming,
Fishing, hunting.
hunting in the summer.
I don't know. That's my favorite.
Anyway,
Okay.
so you can decorate your cake with fondant, gum paste, chocolate, buttercream. We have crazy different types of pans.
Yeah.
Make a beach ball, make a ball pan, make a 3D pan, and decorate it with cool colors, sprinkles, frosting. Go crazy, get creative, edible images, anything. So how does it work? So what you're gonna do is you're going to upload a picture of your final decorated cake. We recommend uploading multiple pictures so we can really see how all your work. So you also need to upload a picture of a receipt, a proof of purchase. So that's all that we ask, is that you have to have a purchase made from Lynn's Cake, Candy, and Chocolate Supplies with decorating equipment of whatever it may be. Upload a picture of your decorated cake. You can do that via Facebook or Instagram or our email.
Right.
And then be sure to follow us on Facebook or Instagram. All fan voting, all updates, and other information to come will all be posted on Facebook. So be sure to tune into Facebook for more details to follow on.
Yeah, and it's just a fun opportunity. Hey, if I'm hanging out with my kids, hey, let's get them together. Let's come up with a fun idea and let's just do it and have some fun. So it's not all about a super professional, right? I mean, don't be intimidated thinking, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to make this masterpiece. That's not what it's all about.
No, it's about friends, it's about family coming together during the dog days of summer. And having a great time.
Yeah, having fun before school starts up again.
Yeah.
So if you have any questions, you can certainly reach out and call us. And now, Luke, when is that kicking off?
Very soon. So stay tuned once again on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned to when it's kicked off. For full details, we'll have a little page on our website with all the judging criteria and everything to come. So stay tuned. It's coming very soon. We're really excited.
Like in a couple days.
Yeah.
Or quick.
Yeah. Right around the corner.
If you start working on it, it's going to be quick.
So you don't need to be this really good baker, because we're not going to taste test it. Let's say you don't have an oven. Well, we have Cake Toms where you can come and grab those. What's Cake Tom?
A cake dummy. Those styrofoam fake cake things. Thank you. Yeah.
Anyway, we have tons of things that you can make this look professional, even if you just start. We have plastic decorations where you can put on to make a swimming pool. We have the edible images. We have everything you need to make this cake a winner.
Yep, colored sugars, Jimmy's. We just want to make sure that I think the key point too is you need to get some stuff from the store.
Yes.
That's one key component. It's not that we're hungry for the sale, that's not the point, but we want to start to maybe cultivate a relationship with some of you folks out there who have never been into our store, who have never made a purchase online with us, right?
Yep, it's as an in-store or online. We don't want to discriminate or against any customer. So much of our loyal customers are all over the United States. So this is national.
Awesome. Yep, we're good to go. Super. So yeah, like Luke said, stay tuned. It's coming up fast. As always, we greatly appreciate you guys. You're awesome. Thank you very much from Lynn's Cake, Candy, and
Chocolate Supplies.